The Inner Workings of Money. Insights from Jordan Peterson. Welcome back to Ace Wealth Strategies, we're your trusted guide in the world of finance, wealth, and money. Your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets of building wealth. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your financial game, we've got you covered. From beginners to seasoned investors, we're here to help everyone navigate the path to financial freedom. Today, we're exploring the inner workings of money through the insightful lens of Jordan Peterson. Get ready for an eye-opening journey into the psychology of wealth, the power of responsibility, and the secret strategies that can lead to financial success. Let's delve into the psychology of money, a topic Jordan Peterson often addresses with profound clarity. Peterson highlights that money is more than a medium of exchange, it's a marker of value and a reflection of our choices. He emphasizes the importance of understanding our relationship with money, shaping our financial destiny through conscious decision-making. But what about the practical aspects of money? How do Peterson's insights translate into actionable financial strategies? That's what we're delving into next. Firstly, let's explore the concept of financial self-awareness. Peterson teaches us to be aware of our spending habits and the psychological drivers behind them. Are we spending impulsively or investing in our future? By regularly reviewing our financial habits and goals, we can align our spending with our long-term objectives. Next, Peterson's approach to risk management in finance is pivotal. He suggests assessing risks not just in terms of potential losses, but also in terms of missed opportunities. A well-considered risk in investments or career choices can lead to substantial growth and development. Learning to evaluate and take calculated risks is key. Then, there's the principle of value-based spending, rooted in Peterson's philosophy. Each dollar spent should reflect your values and priorities. Whether it's buying quality over quantity or investing in experiences rather than material goods, our spending should mirror what we truly value in life. Moreover, Peterson urges us to think about financial independence and security. This isn't just about accumulating wealth, but creating a safety net that allows you the freedom to pursue your passions and take risks without fear. Building an emergency fund and having a solid financial plan are steps towards this independence. Consider the concept of delayed gratification, a key Peterson idea. It's not just about saving money, but about understanding the long-term benefits of financial discipline. By prioritizing long-term goals over immediate pleasures, we can build a more secure financial future. Quick break. If you're enjoying this and want more tips, here's a small ask. Click subscribe, give us a like, and turn on notifications. This way, you won't miss out on any of our helpful videos. Ready for more? Let's go! Now let's talk about risk and reward, a balance Peterson often emphasizes. In investing, taking calculated risks is essential. This means doing your homework, understanding the markets, and not being afraid to invest in your future. But it's not just about financial risks. Peterson urges us to look at our careers as investments too. Are you investing in your skills, your network, and your personal growth? These are crucial questions on the journey to wealth. Next, we focus on a fundamental Peterson principle, the power of personal responsibility in wealth creation. According to Peterson, financial success isn't just about earning more. It's about managing what you have effectively. This involves budgeting, investing wisely, and understanding the long-term impact of financial decisions. It's about taking control of your financial health. Peterson also speaks to the value of diversity in your financial portfolio. Just as in life, a diverse set of investments can help balance risk and reward. This means spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and even countries. Hey there, taking a quick pause from our wealth-building insights. If you're finding value in this video and want to stay updated with all our latest strategies, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button below, give us a like, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we drop fresh content designed to help you maximize your financial potential. All right, let's jump back in and continue our journey to financial success. Now let's explore Peterson's insights on the mindset for wealth accumulation and financial growth. Jordan Peterson often talks about the importance of mindset in achieving wealth. He advocates for a growth mindset where challenges are seen as opportunities for learning and improvement. This mindset, coupled with a strategic approach to money management, is crucial for financial success. And let's not forget the importance of resilience. Peterson advises that in the face of financial challenges, resilience becomes key. It's about bouncing back from setbacks and learning from them. This resilience is what helps us grow wealth over time. Lastly, Peterson emphasizes the role of ethics in financial dealings. Building wealth isn't just about numbers. It's about doing so in a way that is ethical and responsible. This means being transparent, fair, and considerate in all your financial interactions. As we close, remember that wealth is not an end in itself, but a means to creating a fulfilling life. Peterson encourages us to see wealth as a tool for achieving our life goals, not just accumulating assets. Now, turning to the practical steps of financial planning, Peterson urges us to set clear, measurable goals. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or investing in education, having specific targets can motivate and guide us. He also underscores the importance of financial literacy. Understanding the basics of budgeting, investing, and taxation empowers us to make informed decisions. Education is the cornerstone of financial empowerment. Finally, Peterson reminds us that financial success is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous learning, adapting to changes, and staying committed to your goals. Embrace the journey with enthusiasm and determination. As we wrap up, let's reflect on how Peterson's teachings can be applied in our daily financial lives. Peterson's teachings remind us that wealth is not just about accumulation, but also about contributing to society and living a meaningful life. This holistic approach to wealth can lead to both financial prosperity and personal fulfillment. In today's episode, we've navigated through the profound insights of Jordan Peterson on money and wealth. From understanding the psychological aspects of money to embracing personal responsibility and cultivating a growth mindset, Peterson's teachings offer invaluable guidance on the path to financial success. And there you have it, folks. We hope this episode has given you a deeper understanding and fresh perspective on the dynamics of money and wealth. Remember, your financial journey is unique, and armed with these insights, you're well equipped to forge your path to success. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep applying these principles in your life. If our episode resonated with you, show some love with a thumbs up and share the wealth of knowledge. Let's journey together, turning challenges into stepping stones. Until next time, stay informed, stay inspired, and let's ace the financial game.